Good evening, everyone, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to transpose tables in Microsoft Excel on the Mac. Let's begin this tutorial. So in this tutorial I have created a list of 3 movies. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to highlight all 3 movies. That's step 1. Okay, so as you can see, all 3 movies got highlighted, and also these cells in column B. So what we're going to do is we're going to get rid of the column B that's highlighted. So let's do that. So as you can see now, only the 3 movies are highlighted. So from here, I'm going to push Command C, which is to copy. And then from there, we're going to click on column B, which is right here, or cell B. And then we're going to right click it. Then we're going to go to Paste Special. And then after that, we're going to go all the way down. We're going to click on Paste Special again. And then after that, we're going to choose the option that says Transpose. And then now we're going to hit OK. So basically what ends up happening is instead of me having the list of movies in a column, now it moved them into rows. You're just essentially changing positions from columns to rows. And that's how you transpose tables in Microsoft Excel for the Mac. I hope you have found this tutorial to be helpful. Please rate, comment, and subscribe. Have a good day.